Hello everyone, my name is Shubham and today I will discuss about the subset sum problem. Sum problem is a problem of finding the subsets such that the sum of elements equal a given number. Okay, so let's see the statement of a subset sum problem. The problem is to find a subset of a given set S is equal to S1, S2, S3 and up to so on Sn of n positive integers whose sum is equal to a given positive integer d. Okay, so in this statement we have to arrange the element in increment order. Okay, so just like S1 less than equal to S2 and up to so on less than equal to Sn. So now question is how to solve this problem. Problem is solved by a backtracking approach. Okay. Now look at the example. So we have a given set S and in this set S elements are 1, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So now we have to find out those subset which have a sum of elements equal to a given number. Okay, so given number is a 8. Okay, and I find out the two subsets S1 and S2, and in the S1 elements are 1, 3 and 4 and S2 3 and 5, and adding these numbers 1 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 8, and 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. And now draw a state space tree. So before draw a state space tree, no element is inserted in the topmost node. So I inserted the 0 in the topmost node. Okay, and now first element is a 1. So in the left hand side add with 1. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So in this left hand side value is 1. Okay, and now right hand side without 1. So 0 as it a copy, and now the second value is 3 and third is 4 and fourth is 5, and add these values same as a 1, and now adding the 3 value in this node. So adding the 3 in the left hand side, so 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, and without 3 1 as it a copy, and add with 3 in this node. So 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, so 0 as it a copy. Okay, now next value is 4. Okay, so 4 add in the this side left hand side, and 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. This is the solution. Okay, this is the solution of the first subset, and adding the without 4, 4 is a as it a copy in this right hand side. Okay, and same in this node 1, add with 4, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, and without 4 1 as it a copy, and in this node add with 1, add with 4, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, and without 4 3 as it a copy, and same at this node add with 4, 0 plus 4 is equal to 4, so this is the 4, and without 4 0 as it a copy. Okay, now add the last value is 5. Okay, so this is the solution, and no value is inserted in this node. Okay, and this node 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, so 9 is the greater than equal to 8 given solution. Okay, so no element is inserted in the this node, and now 5, so 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, so 10 is the greater than 8, so no value is inserted in the this node. Okay, and this node 1, and add with 1, add with 5, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, and without 5 1 as it a copy. Okay, and same problem in this node 7, So 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So 12 is the greater than 8. So no value is inserted in this node. Okay, and this node value is 3. So add with 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay, this is the second solution of the subset. And without 5, so 3 has it a copy, and this node value is 4, and 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 is the greater than 8. So no value is inserted in this node. Okay, and now 0. So add with 5. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, and 0 has it a copy. So this is the two solution. Okay, two subset solution. This is the state space tree. Okay, thank you so much.